Here's why BNB is one of the strongest altcoins right now and how I'm playing it.
We can see BNB has been trading relatively stable. I mean, if you compare it to Ethereum, BNB hasn't had these sharp declines the same way that the Ethereum has, so it is more stable. We can see that BNB has also already reclaimed the anchored VWAP, this white line, reclaimed the 50 and reclaimed the 21 SMA, showing a lot more strength than Ethereum at this stage. And we have held support on top of the 21 SMA, so we are expecting a move higher and pushing into these resistance areas now. See, the momentum is already above the 80. It's continuing to the upside. Want to see how it reacts to the $705, $710 area that it's approaching here. We can see we've had 2 rejection candles already. It's our third attempt to try and move higher. If we do fail to break here in this zone here between the 705, 733 range, I will be expecting a retracement back down to the moving averages, which is currently sitting at roughly about 630, and the 50 SMA is sitting at roughly about 610. So something like this. 2 scenarios that I'm expecting, that I'm planning for, would be something like this: a push up, rejection, coming back down to the moving averages and then trying again. Or if the momentum keeps on going the way it is, we could have something like this happen with a short bounce on the 1 level, the 750, and then a continuation higher. So I'm expecting either one of these to play out. Let's just let the market decide for us here to see how it reacts to these resistance areas in this zone. I would like to have the 704 flipped from resistance to support. That would be a fantastic entry for me for a continuation higher. BNB does have a extension target of roughly about $1,000. If the bull market continues, if Bitcoin manages to push into that $129,000, Bitcoin does have this potential upside target of $1,000, which is also quite a good risk to reward ratio in these areas. So fantastic looking setup for BNB as well, showing a lot of strength.
If you want to get this trade alerts early, it's all in the FFA.